Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Mitsubishi Outlander 2007 to 2013? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2007 to 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, the passenger compartment fuse box manages power for key interior and body systems, such as instrument cluster, interior lighting, power windows and mirrors, central locking, infotainment, climate control electronics, airbags, and various control modules, ensuring stable operation of cabin comfort and safety features. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2007 to 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, the engine compartment fuse box protects key powertrain and vehicle control circuits such as the engine management system, cooling fans, ABS or ASC systems, fuel pump, ignition, and charging circuits, ensuring reliable operation of major mechanical and safety functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.